Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Maya. Learning English here is easy and fun.
Hello. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here today.
How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you. I'm happy. And you?
I'm happy too. I feel excited about our topic today.
Oh, yes. Today's topic is very interesting.
Yes, today we talk about the future, our dreams and plans.
Wow, the future. That sounds big and exciting.
Yes, but we can talk about big dreams and small plans too.
Before we start, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Talk Maya for more easy English.
Okay, let's start. What do you want to be in the future?
Good question. But you go first. What job do you want in the future?
I think I want to be a chef.
A chef? Wow, that's cool.
Yes, I love food. I love to cook.
Nice. What food do you want to cook?
Italian food, pizza, pasta. Yummy.
I love Italian food. You can cook for me.
Of course, I will make a big pizza.
Do you want a big restaurant or a small restaurant?
A small, friendly restaurant. A happy place.
That sounds wonderful. I would go there every day.
Thank you. Now your turn. What job do you want?
I love animals, so I want to be a veterinarian.
A veterinarian? That's amazing.
Yes, I want to help dogs, cats, big animals, small animals, all animals.
You will be great.
Thank you. Okay, now let's talk about travel.
Oh, I love travel. I want to go to many places.
Same. Where do you want to go first?
I want to go to Japan.
Japan. Why Japan?
It is beautiful. I want to see Tokyo and the temples and the food.
Of course. You are a chef.
Yes, I want real sushi and real ramen.
Will you learn a little Japanese?
Yes, just simple words. Hello, thank you.
That's polite. Good idea.
Thank you. And where do you want to travel?
I want to go to Brazil.
Brazil. Why Brazil?
I want to see the Amazon rainforest and the animals.
That matches your dream job.
Yes, and Brazil has beautiful beaches too.
Nice. You can relax and drink coconut water?
Yes, my perfect trip.
Our future trips sound amazing.
They do.
What about your future home?
Maybe the city or the country.
What do you like about the city?
It's busy. Many restaurants, shops, cinemas. It's exciting.
True. And your animal clinic can be in the city.
Yes, but I also like the country. It's quiet and green.
I love the country too.
Do you want to live in the country?
Maybe. But you go first. What house do you want?
I want a small house with a big garden.
What do you want in the garden?
Flowers. Red, yellow, pink. Many flowers.
Beautiful. And pets?
Yes, I want a dog and maybe 2 cats.
Wow. Your house will be full of love.
I hope so. What about you?
I want a cat. A small black cat.
Nice. Black cats are very elegant.
And easy. I can work in my restaurant, and the cat is happy at home.
Good plan. Okay. Jobs, travel, homes. What's next?
Let's talk about learning a new skill.
Yes. Do you want to learn something new?
Yes. I want to learn the guitar.
Wow. Guitar is cool.
It's relaxing. I want to play simple songs.
Is it difficult?
Maybe at first, but practice helps.
True. You can do it.
Thank you. And you? What do you want to learn?
I want to learn salsa dancing.
Salsa. That is fun.
I love the music.
You can join a dance class.
Yes. I want to learn all the steps.
You will be great. Okay, let's talk about small plans. What are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm going to the park.
Nice. Walking?
Yes, and reading the book.
Very relaxing. And me? I'm going to call my friend.
That's nice.
And I'm going to bake a chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake? I want some.
Yes, you can come.
What about next week?
I'm going to the library.
To get a book?
Yes, I love reading travel stories.
Perfect for a future traveler.
And you?
I'm going to watch a movie. At the cinema.
Popcorn?
Of course.
Good. Popcorn at the cinema is the best.
Our future looks very fun.
Yes, your animal clinic and my restaurant.
Brazil and Japan.
Your house in the country, my apartment in the city.
Your guitar. My salsa dancing.
Big dreams, small dreams, everything is good for the future.
Yes, dreams help us work hard.
And dreams can change, and that is okay.
Maybe one day you want to be an astronaut.
An astronaut chef, a restaurant on the moon.
Wow, big dream.
Yes, fun dream.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, tell us about your future.
What job do you want?
Where do you want to travel?
Share one big dream.
Or one small plan for tomorrow.
We love reading your comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to Talk Maya.
And share this video with your friends.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep dreaming and keep learning.
See you next time.